Lan Villa, nestled in Xindian District, draws its design essence from the captivating allure of nature and the majestic mountain landscapes. Functioning as a contemplative haven, it encourages individuals to forge profound connections with their immediate spaces by engaging with a diverse range of outdoor panoramas. The villa's architectural embodiment features a distinctive curved wall, emblematic of life's ceaseless motion, seamlessly intertwining the splendor of indoor landscapes with the awe-inspiring outdoor mountainous vistas. This curved structure acts as an intermediary between the external environment and the internal living quarters, serving as a canvas that captures the ever-changing seasonal shifts outdoors. It delicately reflects the play of light and the myriad hues found within the rolling hills, orchestrating a dance of colors that permeate and enliven the living spaces within. Moreover, Lan Villa transcends its physical boundaries to harmonize life, nature, and the passage of time. Its design fosters a fluidity that grants users an unparalleled level of flexibility within the building, enabling them to redefine and reimagine their living spaces at will. This inherent adaptability invites inhabitants to curate and mold their environments according to their preferences, promoting an organic synergy between the architectural structure and the lifestyle choices of its occupants. In essence, Lan Villa stands not just as a mere architectural marvel but as a testament to the interconnectedness between humanity and the natural world. It symbolizes a harmonious blend of architectural innovation and environmental integration, offering inhabitants a serene sanctuary where they can navigate the flow of life amidst the ever-evolving beauty of nature's canvas.